ये टीएस्कोप है, ओके। इसको बोलते हैं हैंड हेल्ड, और वो आपका हाथ में वो उसको बोलते हैं
इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा।
इंग्लिश में।
हाँ, क्योंकि वीडियो रिकॉर्ड होगा ना, तो जो इंग्लिश जिसको
This is known as TScope, and this is handheld. This is DP sensor. Okay, both are together they call TScope. So basically, why we use this is to check the flow rate, balance, and check the temperature. This is the main thing we can do in this. So to on this, we have to switch on. We have to hold for 2 seconds, and it will be oning. Switching on. Always charge this and keep the battery in full position. Okay. So right now, what we can do in this is quick measures. You can go inside quick measures. You can check flow, measure the flow, measure DP, measure temperature, measure power, measure in two DPS sensors, and you can save the your work. So normally we will go to flow, measure flow. Here you can select this. Here you can change these parameters: liter per second to liter per minute, liter per hour, US GPM, US GPH, UK GPM, CFM, meter cube per second, meter cube per hour, liter per second. Here, bar, megabar, H2O, but normally we use kilopascal. This is, here you can select, and here you can select your temperature according to the requirements. Here you have to insert your flow rate. Okay? Design flow rate. What is the design? You have to apply here. Here you can select your wall family, which PICV DRV it is. To open this, you have to click here, middle button, and change. There are so many walls. According to this project, you have PIBCV high DP. Sorry, high HVAC, standard HVAC.
Standard HVAC.
Yes. When you put this, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 types of PICV walls.
Okay.
Starting from Fusion P, Compact P, TA modulator, TVV, CMP. So basically you have
Modulating.
TA Compact P, Fusion P and modulators. So select this, then threaded one. Select this thread or flange. Then you have to change accordingly, and you can change your size, or else with this here you can apply some this, or you can change the size here. Okay, then you can write your presetting you will get from High Tools. I explained you how to change check this High Tools. There you can apply this turns and connect your device to the PICV here. Okay, red is high pressure and low pressure. Okay, now to connect this we have to apply measure, and we have to calibrate it accordingly. Press this button. Now you will get a calibration is being processed, perform, and calibration is ready. Release the DP sensor. Press this. So now your DP sensor is released and you are getting your flow rate. So your flow rate is 1.2, whereas your design is 1.19 with 100%, 103%. This way you can use your device. Okay.
This is our
Now you can save this. You want to save?
This is our kV value.
This is your kV value.
It will show automatic, right?
Yes. Save. New. This is AHU.
A2B.
A2B.
2.
A2B.
Okay. Test only.
Test. save. Measurement save.
Okay. How we can recheck again this save parameters?
Go back.
Okay.
Go back. View saved measures. Where is that?
AHU.
AHU.
Okay.
So delta P, everything will be shown in this. Okay, clear? Here is this.
Done.
Okay. Fine, right?
जीरो नॉर्मली डेल्टा एच है ना कितना
हाँ।
होना चाहिए
50 के ऊपर होना चाहिए.
50
50 के ऊपर होना चाहिए. हाँ.